Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and today I will show you that how to paint in Adobe Illustrator. Let me make a quick basketball and I will catch you in a second. So as you can see, I have a basketball sketch. Drag the layer 1 on this new layer icon to make a copy. Lock the top layer, select the second layer, and using a rectangle tool, choose a fill of any color. Make sure the stroke is turned to none and then draw a fill shape covering all of your line art. Using selection tool, select your line art excluding the color shape, then go to object and expand appearance. Then on the pathfinder tool, hit merge button. Now select the shape and right click and in arrange menu go to send to back. Now select the line art including your shape. After that, click the merge button on your pathfinder tool. Now select the direct selection tool and now you can separately select all the parts you want to add color. Select this color leaking out of the ball and hit delete key on the keyboard. Select multiple parts of the basketball by holding shift key. Double click on fill layer and choose any color of your choice and hit OK. Similarly, apply this to other parts of the basketball. Go to fill, change the color, hit OK, and you can see the color has been added to the basketball. So this is how you can add colors in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.